Okay, we're gonna have a sneak peek out here without disturbing the wildlife too much. So we'll open the door here. And it'll take a while, I'm sure. So I can hear them flying off. So they're nervous. And as soon as they hear the door open, you can hear them in the background, but they're not singing right now. Oh, hang on a minute. A few chirps. We're just gonna sit here with the door open. I'm gonna put it on pause for a sec and wait for them to arrive back. I backed up here and shut the door a bit just to see. Oh, I see a squirrel. Just to let them start to come back because they hear the door open. They run like heck. So just pause this for a minute. Now you can hear them. Where the heck are the Canadian geese at? Oh, there they are. Canadian geese. This time here. Here comes another. See the bunch over in the tree over there? Let's see if I can zoom in on those. Way in the tree. Must be 20 birds, and they look all like they're blue jays. They see me outside and they're sort of shutting down. But boy, are they ever chirping. There. The sounds of paradise.